Hello, not a fishing video this time, but just a quick demonstration of something inspired to me by my friend Alan, who was packing up at Shoreham on a place trip in spring. So I've done something I wanted to share with you. But one of the difficulties with kayak fishing, not so much the difficulty, one of the challenges is having all the gear, particularly when you're in the salt and getting home and then taking it all off the van and getting it washed off and then putting it away. So one of the reasons I leave my gear or a lot of my gear on the van and the kayak on the roof between trips is so that I'm ready to go on the next time, just that short break in the weather I can get out. But what I've done, what I didn't like doing was taking all the rods reels off, washing it off and then putting it all back on. So I wanted to do that when I was at the sea, but obviously you can't wash it off with salt water because that's what we're trying to wash off. So Alan inspired me to make this little device. I hope you like it. I'll show you what it is. So there it is, my kayak fishing pressure washer. So I bought this pump off of eBay, just under 19 quid, £18 and some pennies. It's got a little connection, snaps on and off, little on and off switch. So that's pressurized now, but what that does is it just runs off of the cigarette lighter socket that I've put in the back of my van. So I can carry obviously more water than that, 25 litres if I need to. But when I'm now at sea, I'll come back in. I've literally got fresh water to clean those reels, clean those rods off. Get that salt off most importantly. Anyway, I like it. Means I can load up and be ready for the next trip without having to do everything twice. It's always good. Yeah, it's good. Good little bit of kit.